Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today, I would like to talk about an important topic in Islamic legal study, which is the basic principle of fiqh and the methods used to enforce the law. Fiqh, as part of Islamic law, is not only about determining what is lawful or unlawful, but also about how Islamic rulings are developed to remain relevant, just, and beneficial to society. Therefore, understanding the basic principle of fiqh is essential for all Muslims, not just scholars, so we can apply Islamic law properly in our daily lives. Islamic scholars use specific method to determine law from sharia source. This is called the science of usul fiqh. The methods include the Qur'an as a primary source, the Sunnah of the Prophet as an explanation, Ijma or the consensus of scholars, Qiyas or legal analogy, Istisan, Maslahah Musalah, and Urf, which all consider benefit, public interest, and local custom in lawmaking, just long as they not contradict in the Quran and Sunnah. From these methods, several fundamental principles of fiqh emerge such as is removing difficult, repelling harm, justice, benefits. From these methods, several fundamental principles of fiqh emerge such as is removing difficulties, repelling harms, justice, benefits. These principles are not just theory in real life. They are applied to make Islamic law more human, balanced, and relevant to different situations and communities. To conclude, I truly believe that the basic principles of fiqh are for of divine mercy from Allah for all of us. Islamic law is not meant to make life harder, but to protect, guide, and support us through the challenge. That's why I stand pro toward this principle. We should learn them, practice them, and appreciate their value because they make Islam not only religion of law but a religion of compassion. Let's live by this principle so that our understanding of Islam becomes more fair, flexible, and full of wisdom.